Hey guys, it's Brian again. One thing we didn't touch on in our last tutorial, and this is just leftovers from the last one, is how to change the link color. If we just add a link here, let's just say a href equals, whoops, we forgot the A, how embarrassing. Google.com. Let's say we just add this in here. Add a few hard returns just so we can see what's going on. Refresh. Now when you go down, I don't know if you can see this, but there's our link, and it's pretty much the same color as our background. So how's the user going to see that? Well, there's some special body tags that we can use. Link equals, and then we'll say green. And then there's some other ones. VLink, which stands for visited link. And then A link, which stands for active link. You can make these different colors, but typically I make them all the same color. I'm sure you've seen like on Google where you click a link and it changes color. That's what these tags do. Link is something you've never visited before, VLink is what you've visited, and active link is what you're currently visiting. But for this tutorial, we're just going to keep it short, simple, all the same color. Refresh, and there's Google. Well, that's kind of dark. Through the magic of modern technology, I'm going to pause this video and find a better color. Be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. I've got the color I want. Now, we're going to do something different. We're going to add in a hex code. Now, what is that? No, that's not the PIN number to my bank account. That's called a hex code. You can tell because it's a pound sign followed by 6 digits. That's actually a hex number. That's the color code in hexadecimal. Now let's just copy and paste this. If you're wondering what color that is, it's kind of a lime green. Well, let's see it actually work. Here's our page. We'll refresh, and voila, lime green. Now, how do you find these colors? You're probably sitting here going, Brian, that's great, but how do you know what 66FF77 is? My friends, let me introduce you to what I call Google. Go to Google, type in HTML colors. Actually, let's just do it together real quick. And you can see, once again, that's a visited link. You see how it's different? And wow, look at these. Alright, let's just click one and expand it again. And you can see here's all the codes. 00FF00. So dead center is green. If you're wondering, it's an RGB system, red, green, blue. 2 digits denote red, 2 digits denote green, 2 digits denote blue. And you can see there's literally tons and tons of colors. There's actually much more than what's displayed here, but this gives you an idea of the color palette you can work with. I mean, there's quite literally an almost infinite amount of colors you can use. And the color charts get more and more complex. Oops, they didn't like that. Let's just find something different real quick here. Yes, here's a good one. So that gives you an idea of what colors are out there, what hex color codes are, and how to add them to your web page. Hope you found this tutorial educational and entertaining, and thanks for watching.